Hey, welcome. So, one of the most confusing things I stumbled upon when I started learning English was vowel sounds. I read somewhere that English has like 20 vowel sounds, which I find outrageous. There's only 5 vowels, so how could they make 20 sounds? For comparison, Spanish has 5 vowel sounds, and still, just 5 vowels. In Spanish, the vowel A will always make the sound A. The vowel E will always make the sound E. The vowel I will always make the sound I. The vowel O will always make the sound O. And the vowel U will always make the sound U. The only thing to add to this list is that the letter Y can sometimes make the sound of the vowel I in Spanish, like in the phrase Juan y María. There's a couple of other cases, but that's off point. Spanish vowel sounds are easier than English vowel sounds. Anyhow, I hope you found this video interesting. Bye now.